Ah, cool event there. Before I come, and welcome to Mozart Music, a platform where we react to Zara music, Ukwaba, Nocturnal. And we are also where we dissect singing, where we dissect Ukwaba, and basically the whole church as a whole. So, what's up, guys? Before I come along, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for the support, man. It's really amazing. And before we get into it, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also comment. Your comments, guys, are about giving me recommendation as to no man. Can you react to this church or can you there's this church or oh man, I'm just loving it. But until then, I really appreciate you guys' support. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's always about listening to church that I've never heard rather than just listening to church that are big, are cool. Yes, I do, obviously. But I want to balance. And I keep discovering churches. Discover nje amabandla. So today we are reacting to the Unity Church of Christ. It took. Uya uhlale yona le. Without wasting you guys time. Let's dive right into it. Yo, sorry guys. Hey, I got choked for a second. Hey, I got struck by it. I think umshado wakabani. I think uhlophe. I think ukumshado Mr. and Mrs. Hlophe. I think. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, oh. I'm so sorry. Like I'm like here. I'm like yo, hey, like hey, yay. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So yeah, okay, perfect. This is beautiful. Yeah, I'm already scared. Mm, 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 mm. Hey, 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 hey. You know, here's the mission. I already knew a wave, ne? It's not my type of singing. I would not. Ay, Mara. Hey, these people, these people, this new age is a man in a land. I don't know what it is, but they have that thing, man. Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Like this just sounds so clear right now. Like they're present, they are here, they're enjoying this. But the past few days it looks like Ingom is slow. But today's a Wednesday. So yeah, understand with the past 2 days we have been listening to like really like not really quick songs, but like slow songs. I'm a chorus are slow. Hey, this one is getting me into my feelings. Number one, Skylar. I have a photo boy we won, but he's doing a great job. Ipesiala is also doing a great job. Itena is loud and clear. And Itena is it's either Itena ingapa or ringapa, but wherever this camera is facing, Itena is close by. Like we are used to, like you can hear it. And then Beso by Alto. Clear as day. That's why I can say sometimes letting go so that you can hear other voices coming out, because you know the intro okay, magnet leader, you expect the first part, you expect back immediately, no soprano, you know, it's just a norm. We are used to that. But the way this new age Zion music are doing it, it's different. Sometimes the Chogotu bass is just leading throughout, and then the alto will get its own turn. It's crazy. It's crazy. So we are only 1 minute into this. Yes. Yo, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Bathangaza akekho obenga something. You know that part the eti me some as me or something. That verse, the way they swing, bayenza so boy, bayenza kanje. No man, no, abakwazi ukudlala ngendlebe zamsola abantu. What did I say? I said give him a chance. Uzoyize the first part. Kaninge or the back. Kaninge. Like, hey, this new age is Zion man. They bending so many rules, and they're doing it in one of the best way I've ever heard in my life. They will let the singing go, and then there'll come a time where they'll start playing it, and then ibale, and then lapho sohle sikhona ukuthi le bandla lela na first part, then bafika bathi yo. guys, let's talk about the creativeness when it comes to ukugqoka iy'mpahla zesonto these days. Ne, I've never seen that. These people rolled up a duku. La, a duku is like this big. And then, but you lying. I've never seen that. I have. Hey, yabona manje Zion is also becoming a fashion. Like, yeah, I guys. No, I. Maybe the way bayenza ngakhona ne ukuhlukanisa, because I need to know ukuthi Zion there is ways of hlukanisa abokugubhela, if nabo abokugubhela yintombi, i-youth, the younger ones, kuba yilaba banabantwana bese kuba nabomama bangashadanga banabantwana bese kuba nabomama ebashadile bese kuba okay, abomama abashadile nabogogo. In most cases they fall under one category. And then nabobaba abobhuti kanjalo iy'nsizwa kanjalo. I have never seen this way yokufasa iduku before. No, this is dope. Kahle lokho. Nayizo altar lebandla leli. Yavuma ne? Mhm. Said it. I did say it. 10 years ago. Like, they have to be. My circle, if I was like, no, man, Itena is somewhere close to them. Iyazwakala. Phela guys, you must understand ukuthi, you know, Itena, ne? Itena. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani. Itena sometimes may sound like ngathi ayikho. But to abantu sebajwayele, we are like, I don't know how to describe it, man. I don't know how to describe it, but uyayizwa cishe abayibhesi mara akusibhesi mara cishe mara yona ikhona mara ayikho mara ikhona. No man, no man, lebandla lacula bafethu. The unity Church of Christ. And I always ask myself, la mabandla la nibathathaphi labantu abacula so? Ngikubuza. Like, you know, I'll react to one church and be like, this is the greatest singing I've ever heard. Ngene kwelinye. Then I'm like, and then ngene kwelinye, hey, nibathathaphi labantu. No man, no man. But yes, guys, sometimes it's hard for me to keep up with a lot of things. I try, but I can't keep up with everything that's happening. Uh, if Conor Mabandla I drop my album, please let me know. Nangela, tell me kuma comment section of TikTok, Street Jupiter, and go there and tell me good no Ibandla soul dropper because hey man, ay. If these people sound like this, but live, I wonder in person how they sound. Hmm. Hey. And the sick part is this labantu abekho baningi. like abekho baningi. It doesn't look like there's like 40 or 50 of them. Maybe it's like yeah, could be 40 max. Like that's it. Like just estimation wise. I love it. But the way they us at this point I'm like, as if a cameraman ukupule volume. But this is how they sound like. Because if this is how they sound like, I can imagine bathi base baphelele ke babonke. Nalaba abangekho ukuthi banjani. Yes. Err. Don't tell me ukuthi i-face part leya because if ibhekha le sisi wami you mele ilungise indaba yakho ne-voice. Seriously. You know more we Becca, your voice has to like listen, it has to be loud. Like ideally, ideally. Akhala ngigunywe wall because I'm like ngiyambona uyacula but angimuzwa. Angimuzwa. Angibuzwa. Oh my love. That's why ngisho ukuthi mhlawumbe baphelelanga. If baphelela basona then they're doing a great job. Honestly, they're doing a great job. Ufuna amanye amabandla athi hey. Sikuzwa thina. But she's not bad. No, she's not bad. She's not. She's audible. I can hear her. She's not bad. Guys, I don't think you understand the importance of having Ibeka in your voice. I don't think you. I don't know. You know, listen, look, man. Being director to a house of worship, they were singing outside. That lady, Bengimuzwa, strong. Camera begele. I'm like, this lady still singing. It God's vision. Another one. Bengazi ukuthi first part kuphi kuleya commotion leya. Mara bengimuzwa. Take criticism, guys, and learn from it. Hlezi ngisho. To become one of the greatest singer, you have to take criticism. And I'm gonna stop explaining this whole criticism. If I say something and then lo muntu waleyo bandla le sees this video and then they comment, yeah, mina understand and then cha sis wami, or cha bhuti wami, or cha bandla. We have to fix it. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. Because makiwa kula makwaya shows. Yay. Anyway, we first part or we eka. And when soprano, I don't care. Nah, soprano, I don't care. Soprano is like umuntu nje, which is makes the song nicer. But I know quite a soprano women who have loud voices than a lot of my first part. If first part, your voice needs to be loud and needs to be audible. I feel like I need no nyamuswa. I need to hear you. That's your job. Your job, Bugoti. We attention seeker basically. If first part my volume lom, melaband but or melmuntat, hey, ugublo muntlo. I go to tishe or ano besguzwa. Yabona ukugwaba ne first part. Zoyi-2 lezinto lezibasi ngekho right. Abantu bathi, hayi bona bayazama izibandla. Kumelanga bazama, kumele angithola asidumi. That's what I'm talking about. Funa ukukuzwa mina uma uyibheka or first part. I must no ngidlali now. I must hear you. Mina mawucula ngithi angithwala. Mina ngikufune. That's one thing Bob Kanyile used to say. Wase khala abangcwele. Abeka kutshela straight athi uma uyi-first part uma ucula. Kumele umuntu aphakamise intamo akufune. Hi. Overall, Itak can sing. I've never heard of Itak before. Ngiyaqala ukulizwa le bandla leli, and I'm impressed. I know, I am impressed. I am impressed ukuthi perfect ukuthi there's not really a lot of you guys, but yet you are able to have Itena yenu sound alive. I-bass yenu sounds alive. I-alto yenu is present. Isifutho senu is strong. I-leader yenu is strong. I-first part nje ngidisappointed ngayo. Hayi. That's why my car was like, the newer way of singing doesn't have rules. People babaqala mhlawumbe baqala ngebass kube i-alto and then isikhathi masiya khani first part ingena. I've heard that a couple of times. But this by far has to be one of the softest backer and first part I've heard in a while. In a while. In a while. Because first part is important. Hey guys, on first part you important. Yo. Well, first part man is bimba song. But you can tell good the song to rehearse. That's why could be. It could be a good love. You know what? No, let me not come with theories because next minute was on Queen. But overall, no, I'm proud. No, tag, I'll be definitely reacting to more videos. So guys, I have to also react to a newer churches. Lama something I was at all. When I'm maningi. Kodwa kancane. I know mlinde nje nami good. Yabona Good Friday makafika nje. I know. Yeah, I'll be busy. Good Friday, I think I'll be dropping maybe 3 or 4 videos a day. Angazi, I'm just saying. Ngizobona. If videos come in numbers and now I see them, I'm there. So react and drop it. And react and drop it. React and drop it. Anyway, guys, if you're enjoying this content, make sure that you hit that like button. Subscribe. I think more bigger so a subscription should be the side. Bigger so I need to yeah, subscription should be this side, and then the like button should be there, I think. Or vice versa. Either or. Hit them. And also give me recommendation to other churches. And share these videos to others, man. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. I thank you guys for your support. And it's crazy. So yo, in the favorite ways of the Jupiter. Adios.